What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to power on and off this Hisense smart TV without a remote. So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so what you want to do is go ahead and go underneath the TV right here, and as you can see there's a button. Just press that button like such, and that will power the TV on. All right, so now we're going to power it off. You just come under here, you press that button again, and it's going to turn on this menu. Press and hold while it's on power off. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Listen.